So on the 3rd of April I was at Stafford, going to see some of the trains around that area. However, my first catch today was 1S58, the 1154 Vanty West Coast service, Glasgow Central from London Euston with 390 128. Then this is 1U28, the 1155 London North Western Railway service to London Euston from Crewe with 352.64 and 350.252. And then this is 2K48, the 1157 London North Western Railway service to Crewe from Birmingham New Street with 352.31 and 350.250. And then this is 1G13, the 1209 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street with 350.111 and 350.103. And then this is 1F15, the 1224 Vanty West Coast service to Crewe from London Euston with 390 137. Then sneaking up on me was 1952, the delay 1218 turned up at 1225, Vanty West Coast service London Euston from Crewe with 390.040. And then sneaking up on me again was 1M34, the 1227 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Reading with 22110 and 220032.
I'll take that. Yes.
Then this is 1016, the 1223 cross country service to Southampton Central from Manchester Piccadilly with 221141 and 221010. Then this is 1U31, the 1235 LNWR service crew from London Euston with 35372 and 350-255. Then this is 2G52, the 1244 LNWR service to Birmingham New Street from crew with 350-249.
Tell you what, Matt,
352.49, thrashing away from Stafford.
Then my last catch today was 1M09, the 1245 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Glasgow Central with 390-008.
Erupting through Stafford.